Hello, do you want to add someone or a contact on WhatsApp? Here's a straightforward video on how to do that. So ensure you watch to the very end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Now let's get started. The first thing to do, of course, is to locate the WhatsApp icon on your device and tap on it to open the app. Once it's open, you tap on the Chat tab at the bottom of the screen. In the top right corner of the screen, you see a new chat icon, typically a pencil with a paper sign. You tap on it to start a new chat. If you're adding a contact who is not on your WhatsApp contact list, you will see an option to new contact. You click on it. Then you'll be prompted to enter the contact details such as their names and phone numbers. So ensure you enter the appropriate information. After entering the contact details, you tap on Done or Save in the top right corner of the screen to save the contacts. WhatsApp will automatically synchronize your contacts. But if you don't see the new chats immediately, you can manually refresh the contact list by pulling down on the screen. Once the chat is added, you can start a chat with them by tapping on their names in the chat tab, and you tap in the message field to type a message. So you have successfully added a contact to your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching the video.